Business management degrees are some of the most popular degrees you can earn, and for good reason. They're solid degrees and they're not that difficult. If you're interested in college acceleration, these degrees can get done really, really quickly if you do it right. But let's talk about business management. Is it a degree that's worth it for your career? And I can show you how to do it really fast as well. Let's start with some things I love and some things I don't love so much about business management degrees. One of the things I love about business management degrees is that they're very versatile. They can get you jobs in essentially any industry out there and can get you leadership and management jobs with whatever company you're working for. Now you're going to learn management and leadership skills, which makes you a valuable employee and the perfect employee for advancement and leadership roles in general. So getting promotions with a business management degree can be pretty smooth as well. Another thing I love is that you're learning how to run businesses and manage teams. So if you ever want to start your own business down the road, this is a very good degree for entrepreneurship in general. Now, some downsides of this degree are that it's really popular. The problem with a popular degree is there are a ton of other people that have the same exact degree. That means competition is greater as you're trying to get a job. Now, the good news with this is that if you specialize in something, maybe you get some certs or you have some experience to go with the degree, those are things that can set you apart and you can jump over the competition in general. You just need to know that you're going to need a little bit extra if you're competing against everyone else. And that little bit extra might just be you. You might just be a better employee. You might just be skilled and hardworking. That can set you apart as well. Now let's talk about money, because something you need to be careful with a business management degree is there are a lot of people out there that just get business management degrees because they're easy, and they'll go get these degrees in hopes that I can just qualify for any job that just needs a bachelor's degree. That'll get me those jobs, right? Well, a lot of times those are lower level jobs and don't make you as much money. So if we're talking about money, I like to visit the US Bureau of Labor Statistics because this is data on how much money people earn with different degrees reported to the government, like your tax data. So it's usually pretty accurate data. Now, if we look at field of degree income averages, you're going to see business degrees, a median annual wage is $71,000 per year. Now that's okay, but I generally say if you're going to go to college, you want to try to get at least a six-figure per year job because there are plenty of those jobs out there. Now, if we look deeper into the data, you're going to find out that a lot of these skewed numbers are because some people go into management, which you make great money, and some people go into things that really have nothing to do with business. So what I want to show you is income averages for people that actually go into management with these college degrees. Now, if we sort for income data for management occupations, we look at entry-level education being at least a bachelor's degree. This is where you're going to see management type income, and you're going to see $104,000 a year, $156,000, $165,000, $136,000, $169,000. Most of these are six-figure jobs at least and higher. Now, there are always going to be lower paying jobs. You just have to look at the industry and look at the job that you actually want to work in. But most of these are really, really high paying industries, high paying jobs. So clarification here, if you want a business management degree, my recommendation is to try to get into management jobs. Otherwise, find degrees that specialize in the job that you're trying to get, and sometimes that can help you make more money. Now, the good thing with these management jobs is you can work any industry and you can get all types of different management jobs, so you don't necessarily have to know what you want to do before you start college. Now, if you're thinking, well, entry level, you can't get very good jobs with business management, you got to start at the bottom of the totem pole. Let's talk about some averages as far as where you're at in your career, because obviously you're going to earn more later in your career than you are in the beginning of your career. I don't love talking about entry-level job numbers because entry-level is oftentimes young kids, 20-year-old kids who are just graduating college and they're starting these learning jobs. If you're an adult student, you already have experience. If you add a degree to what you've already done, you're already starting at that mid-level job tier, and then you can go into advanced further career jobs down the road. Now, for mid-level positions, we're talking about jobs like being an operations manager, a project manager, a human resources manager. Median annual wages for these types of positions averaged out to be over $116,000. Now, if you want to talk advanced numbers for seasoned professionals that are deeper into their careers, we're talking like department leads and company leads, financial managers, marketing managers, things like that. We're talking $150,000 to $200,000 incomes are pretty normal. So focus on management if you're getting a business management degree. Now, if you want to earn these degrees really quickly, you have to choose the right school. So let me show you some schools that I would recommend if I was going right now to get one of these degrees. The first program I want to show you is offered by Western Governors University. It's this Bachelor of Science in Business Administration focused on management. A lot of times these business management degrees, they're just business administration degrees with a focus on management. A lot of times you can get the same job with just business administration degrees in general as well. Another program I want to show you is offered by Purdue University Global. It's this bachelor's degree in business administration. If the school doesn't offer a management specialization, usually just the business administration degree is going to be fine. But you got to make sure you choose this Excel track program because that's the one that's self-paced and you can earn really, really quickly. Another program I like is this Bachelor of Arts in Business Administration focused on management and leadership, offered by the University of Maine at Presque Isle. Now, with this particular school, you want to make sure the program you're choosing is a your pace program because those are the self-paced programs you can earn really quickly. The next program I want to show you is offered by the University of Massachusetts Global. It's this Bachelor of Business Administration in General Business. And again, usually a general business degree is going to get you the same type of end results as a management focused degree, but I still recommend focusing on management if your school of choice offers it. Now, at University of Massachusetts Global, you want to make sure you choose these MyPath programs because those are the programs that go really, really quickly. Now, if you are interested in business management, but you want to do it really quickly and not spend the normal 4 years of time, you need to do things a little bit differently. Instead of going through the school's process where they're giving you homework assignments and quizzes and textbooks and lesson plans and study guides, you're going to learn the information using modern resources like the internet, like YouTube and Google and AI, things like that. And then you're going to test out of your classes or complete projects to prove to the school that you understand the information. Now, if you'd like to learn more about that process, I teach students how to do this all the time. I'll just leave a link in the description down below. Hope this video has helped. Like, subscribe if it has, and I'll talk to you in the next video.